From this video, you will learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions with whole numbers. So, look, this is a fraction, and we need to add a whole number, these three. So, at first, you need to rewrite the whole number as a fraction. You can express a whole number as a fraction taking 1 as a denominator. 3 means 3 over 1. The value of 3 over 1 and 3 is the similar thing. Now your second task is to make like denominator. Here 5, here 1. So we need same denominator. That is why the multiple of here 5, here 1. The multiple of 5 equal to 5, then to 10. The multiple of 1 equal to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Look, the common multiple of 5 and 1 is 5 here, right? So look, here we have 5, but here we don't have 5. So we have to make this denominator to 5. That is why, look, we can multiply here by 5. If you multiply by something to the bottom, then that thing must come to the top. So look, now this both fraction has 5 as a denominator. So now add these two fractions. So take the same denominator, 5, just take 1, and just you need to add the bottom number. So you are getting here 55 divided by 5. Okay, so if you divide this 55 by 5, then you will get 11 and you will get 1. 11 over 1, that is 11. And 11 is the answer, right? So this is the example of addition of fraction. So now consider this example, and would like to do here subtraction. So how to do that? We have to do the same procedure. So express this whole number as a fraction, then you need same denominator. So look, to make same denominator, you need to multiply here by 5, then this 5 will automatically come to the top number to make it the same number. So now you have 15 divided by 5. Now we have same denominator, so take the same denominator. Now we have to subtract just the top number. So we are getting here, look, 5 carry 1, 2, 25 divided by 5. So if you divide both number by 5, then you will get 5, you will get 1. So 5 over 1 means 5. So this is the example of subtraction. Now look, how to multiply this fraction by this whole number. So the process is, you have to express this whole number as a fraction, then you need to multiply top and bottom to bottom. So we are getting here, look, this 40 times 3 by 5. So you can reduce this, right? So break it to small number. 2 times 20, that gives, okay. So now also break this number. 2 times 10 times 2. Also you can break this 10. 2 times 5, Now cancel this 5, so you are getting here 2 times 2 times 3, that is you are getting here 4 times 3, 12, and this is the answer. Okay, now consider this example. This is a fraction, this is a whole number. Would like to divide this fraction by the whole number 3. So how to do that? So the process is quite similar, right? You have to express this whole number as a fraction. Now you need to follow this keep, change, flip method. So keep the first fraction, then change division sign to multiplication sign, and flip this. That is, we have to take inverse of 3 over 1, 1 over 3. Now just multiply top to top number and bottom to bottom number, right? So look, you can break this 40 as look 20 times 2, right? And then also you can break this 20 as 10 times 2, and then you can break this 10 as 5 times 2. So look, cancel this 5, so you are getting here 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 3. So you are getting here 6 over 3. That is, now divide this 6 by 3 and this 3 by 3. So we are getting 2 over 1, that is 2. Look, this is another example. This is a mixed fraction, and we would like to subtract 2 from this mixed fraction. Let us first add here. How to add this whole number to this mixed fraction. So at first you need to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. That is why you need to multiply the whole number and the denominator, and then you need to add the numerator. So 5 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 2. So 10 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 2. So 11 over 2 plus 2. Now you need to express this whole number as a fraction, 2 over 1. Now you need the same denominator. That is why I will multiply here by 2 to the both number. Look, now I am getting here 2, same denominator. So it is easy to add. Take the same denominator, then add the bottom top number. So we are getting here 15 over 2, right? Look, this is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we will express this improper fraction to mixed number. So how to do that? So you need to divide this numerator by 2. 2 goes into 14 7 times. So 7 times 2, that is 14. Your remainder is 1. So this is quotient will be the whole number, remainder will be the numerator, and divisor will be the denominator. And this is the answer. Here is the another example. Look, how to subtract the whole number 2 from this mixed fraction. So at first you need to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So multiply whole number, then denominator, then add the numerator and take the same denominator. Now 10 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 2. So here 11 over 2 minus 2. So express this whole number as a fraction. So now you need the same denominator. So you need to multiply here by 2, right? So now you have 11 over 2 minus 4 over 2. You have the same denominator, so take it, and 11 minus 4. So we are getting 9 over 2. This is an improper fraction, so you need to express this improper fraction to mixed number. 2 goes into 8. How many times? 4 times. 4 times 8, 8, 1. So our quotient will be 4. Then 1 will be our numerator and 2 will be our denominator. This is the answer. From this example, you will learn how to multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number. So how to do that? So look, at first you need to, you can do it in two ways. So let me show that. So first convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 5, that is whole number, times denominator plus 1 divided 2 times 2. So 10 plus 1 divided by 2 times 2. So 11 over 2 times 2. Now express this whole number as a fraction, taking 1 as a denominator. Now multiply top to top number, then bottom to bottom. So we are getting here 22 divided by 2. That is, if you divide by 2, then we are getting 11 over 1. That is 11. So this is the way, right? Okay, let us take another example. Look, how to divide this mixed fraction by this whole number. So how to do that? So convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 5 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2, and take this. So you are getting here 11 over 2 divided by 2 whole number. So now follow keep, change, and inverse 1 over 2. So now multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. So 11 over 4. Now change this improper fraction to mixed number. 4 goes into 11. Look, 2 times. 2 times 4, 8. So if you subtract, what will happen? 3. So these 2 will be the quotient, then this 3 will be the numerator, and this divisor will be the denominator. So from this example, now you know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions with whole numbers.